All right, cool. We are day three, day four, day four, day four, because this was day three of building the personal website, and it is done. You. So I added all the content in here, and got the email octopus stuff, the logins working. So, or not the logins, the ability for someone to give me their subscribe. So right down here. So here's the way that the blog kind of looks. Right in here, they can type in something like hello world at gmail.com. I want key learning, submitting. They can go and click here to read more learnings. You can see that it came in the email octopus here. There it is. Great, deleting it. Yeah, so I'm stoked. It took a little while. It's crazy how much longer these things take than you'd expect, but I'm really pumped on where it is. I think it looks cool. Maybe other people think it looks cool. Maybe they won't. At this point, I don't really care. My goal is just to finish this thing so I could start to post on here on my own site as well as the other sites because I don't want to just end up with a bunch of followers on these other platforms and not have email addresses because the email lists is a list that I myself own. So I'm trying to make that happen. Other pieces of the puzzle within here is I got it so that it'll show up with GIFs. So this one should load. Come on, not during the YouTube video, man. But these are GIFs, and they were working a second ago. I think it might be because I'm so low on battery, or that's a good excuse. So come here and check it out. Tell me if it's not working. Let me know, but it should be working. So that's the site. Now it's all white, but I swear it's my low battery. But anyways, the site is basically done. Can't end it like that. Come on. Yeah, I think it's low battery. Um, Site's done. I'm stoked. Even got it so it sends via text to people. Yeah, page unresponsive. Sends a text to people with the right in a cool looking way. So here's this. I wanted to get that out of there, but at least now it sends them. When I send the articles, it sends kind of the cover photo on the article, which is great. And then it's all I can log into everything on ryanking.sanity.studio. Studio. Cool. And I might just go plug this in real quick. I promise it's not the site. It's the battery. But Sanity Studio is here. Click on posts. All the posts show up, which is great. I can just come in here real quick, add a new post. I can edit posts if I want to jump in here and edit them. So it's pretty darn dialed. I'm sure I'll make little tweaks here and there, but good enough for the start. So yeah, and then this is what it looks like. Last part, I promise. This is what it looks like on mobile. Maybe I already showed you that, but there it is. All right, we're done with that. So stoked. Now the goal is to start to promote it and get people here and reading and figure out what sticks. This was a sticky one, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on with it. I actually reached out to, I'll tell you another day. I reached out to a few people to see if I can basically interview them about their journeys of learning to code because this was my journey learning to code and it got like 900 upvotes on Reddit and got 100 plus retweets on Twitter. So my thought there is like maybe people are just looking for other people's journeys learning to code along with all the resources that they used throughout their journey. So reached out to Peter Levels, Ryan, the guy who is the head of Treehouse. which is a great, just fabulous coding school, online coding school. It's like 25 bucks a month. It's beyond worth it. And Randall Kana, who is someone who's kind of helping developers get jobs and has a pretty neat story. So we can keep our fingers crossed and hope that they pick up on it. All right. Have a good rest of the night.